stove with a door on one end. And you know, I'm making this pretty fancy. I'm making a lot of crosshatch pieces. So it doesn't need paper bags. It dries out. It's nice and crispy. It only took about a month for it to dry out. And when I lay the pieces in here, I'm laying them kind of crisscrossy. I try to put them so I put them in the stove like this as much as I can. Just kind of lay them in there, and it's gonna happen. Boom. I barely lit that. It's a done deal now. Okay, there we go. There's the air suspension. You can see the air suspension there. They got full ignition. I'm gonna get a little more air to the fire by just leaving the door cracked open. So it's sucking air in right there. These lower vents. And what it does is it forces the air in through these holes. And it shoots the air out of it. I might as well put another piece of oak on there. I know it's a done deal now. That oak's gonna go. Even if it slows down a little bit, it's fine with me. Because the coals I got in there, those hot coals, and this air injection, a fire like this, they're gonna lose money. Their wood, they're looking at their wood as money.